Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will have a look at ship to multiple addresses. We have introduced a new feature called ship to multiple address, which allows users to create multiple shipments in a single order. Let's go to the admin, click on Store Configuration, go to Site Settings, and search Ship to in the search bar as you can see here. After that, you can see 4 types of new settings we have added. First is Enable Ship to Multiple Address, where we have options available as None, Default Store, All Private/Public Store, and both. You can see the details here. Second, we have Ship to Multiple Address option on Cart page, where we have option to disable, Always, and Optional. Third, we have Enable Split Quantity and Ship to Multiple Address. In this you have to choose Yes or No. Last setting we have is Display Product Groups Title in Ship to Multiple Address. In this we have None, Default, and Vendor. To enable one setting for a vendor, you have to go to Business Partners, then click on Printers, then Action, and Edit. Here, we have Group Products and Checkout page. Enable it and save. Now, let's go to the storefront and Customer Shopping Cart. Here, we can see there are 2 products in the shopping cart. And here we have a new option, Ship to Multiple Address. You can hide by choosing to disable this setting, you can show separately by choosing Optional, or you can merge multiple shipping with the Continue button. By choosing the Always setting in the admin here. After that, when we proceed further, by clicking on the Ship to Multiple Address button, here we can see 2 types of product groups. So, if you have assigned any product to a vendor, or printer, then here you will see those products in a group, with the vendor name. In the admin setting, you have to choose the vendor here. For products, which are not assigned to any vendor, those will appear in the default group name, which is the admin. You can change the title from language text references, as you can see here. Also, if you choose the default in the display product group setting, then at the front end, system will show the product group name as default name with a number. For example, product group number 1, product group number 2. And if you choose None, then there will be no product group name display. It will only show separate products, which are not assigned, or assigned vendor-wise. Next, we have an option, where you can split quantity as well, for each product in the shopping cart. And then create multiple shipments to multiple addresses. For example, here we are splitting quantity in 2 parts, that is, 50 quantities at one address, and another 50 quantities at another address. After creating a shipment, you can see the summary of all the shipments on the right-hand side. Also, you will not see the Continue button. To proceed, until and unless you have created all the shipments for the products in the shopping cart, without any quantity left. You can modify your shipments as well, by clicking on the Edit icon, and can change the address or quantity. After you have created all the shipments, you can see the Continue button to proceed, and then, we can check out further like a normal process. Once the order has been placed, the customer can see his entire shipment summary, under Shipping Details. Now, in the admin section, under the View Order Details page, you will be able to see all the shipment details, as you can see over here. Also, when you click on Modify Order, you can see a new option, Manage Ship to Multiple Address. Here you can modify your existing shipment, by clicking on Modify icon, and split the quantity for multiple addresses. You can create a new shipment, for a new order product, that you want to add to this order. After adding a new order shipment, to the existing order, as you can see over here. On the View Order page, you will be able to see the new shipment detail as well, which we have added to this order. Now, if we talk about the invoice and job ticket, you can modify both email formats, and can add a variable named, Ship to Multiple Address Details. So when we download them, you can see multiple address details in both. The next feature we have, in Export/API Orders, go to API Settings, here we can see, Ship to Multiple Address Info for export. It is available in the API services as well, to export multiple address shipment report, in JSON, or XML format. Also, in Coupon Discount, whenever you add a coupon, you can choose Conditional Discount, based on cart subtotal, then the discount will be applied, on each shipment total in case of, Ship to Multiple Addresses selected, at the front end. It will not work, on the cart subtotal price, in that case. These are all the new features, in the Ship to Multiple Addresses. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concerns, feel free to connect with us.